Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to hard reset Nest Connect. So if you're interested, let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to find the button on your Nest Connect device. Now, with that button, what we need to do is you want to press and hold that button until the LED light turns yellow. Now, continue holding the button until the LED light changes from yellow to blue and then starts pulsing blue. Now, once the light is pulsing blue, you want to go and release the button. In this case, this actually indicates the hard reset here is complete, which is something fairly really easy here. Now, once you've done this, all previous settings and data will be erased, so the device is now ready to be set up again as a new device. But in this case, that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.